Okay, in this part we are going to take a look at the STD calling conversion. Okay, so let's compare then the implementation of my function 1 in GCC. Okay, so let me bring that example right here. Okay, so that you can see it. Let me bring it right there. Okay, so the name decoration is the same as in CL. Okay, so this STD call functions and CDECL and first call for that matter can be assembled with either compiler. Okay, so and linked with either linker. Okay, it seems like that. Okay, so the stack frame is set up. Okay, then the value, as you can see right here, the stack frame is set up. Then the value at EBP plus EBP plus plus int is doubled. Okay, and after that the value at EBP plus 12 is tripled. Okay, so therefore positive 8 is x and positive 12 is y. Okay, so positive 8 is x and positive 12 is y. Okay, so again these values are pushed in right to left order. Okay, so this function can also this function also cleans its own stack with the read instruction. Okay, as you can see here, read 8 instruction. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's look at a bigger example. Okay, so let me cross that one and I bring this one here. Okay, let me bring that one right there. Okay, so we can see here that values at positive 8 and positive 12 from EBP are still x and y respectively. Okay, so the value at positive 16 is incremented by 1. Okay, and the value at positive 20 is incremented by 2. Okay, and so on. Okay, so all the way to the value at positive 28. Okay, so we can therefore create this table. Let me show you. Let me bring it as well. Okay, we can therefore create a table like this. Okay, a table like that. Okay, so like that, as you can see, x. Okay, so with the c being pushed first and x being pushed last, therefore these parameters are also pushed in right to left order. Okay, and this function then also cleans 24 bytes of the stack with the read 24 instruction. Okay, as you can see down here. Okay, so like that. Okay, so in next part, in future parts, we are going to look at some examples. Okay, on everything we have been talking about.